Alright everybody, Cows to Keels here. We are setting the points on a 1972 Johnson. I've already done it, but I'm going to go through the motions with you here. Alright, so upon taking this off, you have if you want to take the armature plate off, you got a bolt, a bolt, a bolt, and a bolt. Alright. You can check your coils by checking continuity through these two and through this one and the spike on the bottom. Alright. What you want to do is when you take this off, or even if you don't take it off, you want to get in between these are your points. You want to get in there and sandpaper those really clean, and then clean off your sandpaper gunk really well. I found that brake cleaner or electrical cleaner seemed to be really good. Alright, now the specs on these points are .020. So you get your feeler gauge out. Alright. Alright, see I have my nut on here. We will be turning this. And then you're going to see, you'll see right here, it says top. Right there. Alright, there's a solid little notch that comes out. This is the top or the high spot of the shaft. And when it spins around, you'll notice as the top's coming around, this, here it comes right now, the point should open up. Here it comes, it's opening, it's opening, it's opening. That's where we're stopped. That's our dead top right there. And what we're going to want is the .020 to be able to slide in between these two things like so. Not gripping, pinching tight, but you're rubbing on both sides, and that's exactly what you want. Alright, now I've already set these, but these were way the hell off. Anyway, so as you can see, our top's coming around, and we're almost there, and here it comes. It's boom, it's open. Alright, so we'll grab our gauges again. We'll put our feeler gauge in there. Alright, now what you're going to do is this screw here is what's going to control it. It's going to move it back and forth for us.